Self-Credit Builder works by allowing individuals to establish or improve their credit scores through a secured credit card or installment loan. Here's how it works. Apply for a Self-Credit Builder account. Start by applying for a Self-Credit Builder account online. You will need to provide some personal information and agree to the terms and conditions. Choose your plan. Self offers different plans with varying payment terms and credit limits. Select the plan that best fits your financial situation and goals. Make monthly payments. With the secured credit card option, you will make monthly payments toward your credit limit. For the installment loan option, you will make fixed monthly payments over the loan term. Payment reporting. Self reports your payments to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping you build a positive credit history over time. Receive your funds. For the loan installment option, once you've made all your payments, you will receive the loan funds deposited into your bank account. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your credit score and credit report to see how your payments are impacting your credit history. Over time, you should see improvements in your credit score as you demonstrate responsible credit behavior.